Hey, what's up guys? In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how I built my first mining rig using a really old PC, Dell Optiplex 790. And recently I bought this graphic card, which is an MSI GTX 1050 low profile, that initially I bought it just for like some gamings online, like during the weekend, and I'm gonna use to hash my power for nice hash, and let's see how much money I make a day. So let's get started. So on the back of the desktop, I'm just gonna pull this over. So here I haven't changed anything on the desktop. The power supply is still the same, CPU is still the same, and the hardware is also the same. I haven't changed anything. We're going to place my graphic card, my 1050, into one of these slots. Hopefully it's going to fit, and we're not going to need any extra power supply or any other hardware. So let's try to put inside. So the first thing that you want to do, you want to pull this. This is used, I think it just in order to put a new graphics card. So let's try to put it in. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna do some research just in case I don't wanna blow up my power supply, because I have a 240 watts of power supply and I don't want to burn my PC just because I insert a new graphics card. It should work because it's a low profile and it's a 2 gigabytes of RAM, and I shouldn't need any extra power, but just in case I'm gonna do some research and get back to you. So guys, I did some research online and everything should be fine with the power supply of 240 watt. So I will try now to put the power and see how everything goes. Obviously the income that you're going to get, it won't be much. I'm pretty sure it will be between like £1 or £2 a day, maybe $3 on US. But if you're a student like me and you don't pay for your power, just go ahead and plug it in and you will get like probably, I don't know, £10-12 a week. And why not? It's your bus ticket or your train ticket. So let's try to put it in. Let's see. Right guys, so I've connected all the cables into the desktop PC and everything should work. Just bear in mind that you need to connect your HDMI into the new graphics card. So don't use the older graphics card on your desktop, just use a new one on the new graphics card. I got the power supply and everything. Oh, I forgot to tell you that this PC, I bought it last year for £50, which should be like $60 or $70. And this graphic card, it cost me £120, which should be $160, $150, I don't know. But yeah, so let's try to power up. Let's try. Yeah, everything is working, there's no smoke, nothing is blowing, so that's a good sign. The graphics card is running. Yeah, so the fans of the graphics card is running, everything is running, and let's see how much money we can make with this, and I'll get back to you, just give me a sec. So guys, in order to save your hashing power, I'm using a software called NiceHash, which is pretty popular. And to download this software, you can go ahead in their website, which is called nicehash.com. Go to the download page, and you want to download the NVIDIA version, as we're using an NVIDIA like a graphics card. But it will always, it's also going to work for the AMD, but I haven't tried it, but I have this version which works for me. So once you download this, you need to configure your NiceHash wallet. So you create an account with the NiceHash, and here inside the software, once you install it, you will see something similar like this. You go ahead in the wallet and you go in the wallet and you put your wallet ID here, or your Bitcoin wallet address here. Once you do this, you want to go to your hardware details just to check that your GPU has been read and your CPU as well. Also mining from my CPU, because I say, yeah, I know, maybe some extra pennies. And you also want to do a benchmark, so NiceHash will recognize and will load your graphics card and your CPU. Once you've done this, it will take a while. You can just start mining. Let's see how much we can make. I'm also using Specky just to check the temperature of my GPU and my CPU. It goes around like 68 or 70 or 72, and I'm not too worried if it's around 68 or 71, but when it gets to like 75 or 76, I start to get like a little bit worried. That's why I always leave my desktop with no covers here. And yeah, so I left the NiceHash now for half an hour, and it says that I can make up to £1.90 or £53. Sometimes it goes up to £2, and yeah, I'll show you now. So guys, now I've been running this computer for around like a week with NiceHash, and I deposit into my Coinbase this amount of money that turns out to be £11, and I run it for a week. So a week I can make up to 10 or 12 pounds. That's not too bad. If you don't pay for your bills, why not leave your computer on and you're just going to make money. And yeah, and I also transfer this amount of bitcoins into my Coinbase account, which will then I'll be able to withdraw the cash into my bank account. So yeah, this is how I did it. And if you guys have any question, just comment below and like my page or like my video. Subscribe please, support my channel, do whatever you want, ask me questions, and I'll be available. Thank you so much. See you soon.